Friends, first of all, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, in this video, I am sharing a very beautiful, creative and unique design ideas of hand embroidery and giving you stylish ideas that how you can design your winter dresses, your summer dresses, your mid-season dresses by following these beautiful and elegant patterns of hand embroidery. Friends, in my today's video, I am going to share different type of stylized patterns of neckline embroidery like side neckline embroidery, center embroidery like floral all over, floral patterns of embroidery style yoke embroidery, bot neck neckline style patterns of embroidery, floral sprays, and necklace style embroidery patterns for your bot neck, U-shaped or V-shaped necklines, simple and decent, beautiful, elegant patterns, some heavy and traditional embroidery stitches based patterns. Even you can also keep your neckline very simple and give heavy floral patterns onto sleeves. Similarly, long neckline style of embroidery followed by floral patterns is also being shared with you. So different type of stylized patterns along with very beautiful blend of light, bright and darker shades of fabric have been shared. Guys, this video is an absolute treat for the persons who are in search of beautiful, trendy and creative 2024 latest design ideas of hand embroidery. And the beauty and creativity of these designs is that these designs are two in one. That is, you can use them for making the hand embroidery patterns, and also you can use them for machine embroidery as well. So, if you are not a lover of hand embroidery or not an artist or don't know how to embroider, then you can go to a nearby embroidery artist and get the job done for you with the help of machine embroidery. You can also start up a new business by following these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery, and by showing the visual representations of already made designs. You can grab the attention of massive customers and clients also. And guys, one simple request to you that please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And you can also subscribe from other devices because subscribers are very important. And with your love and support, I have reached at this level. And with your love and support, we will continue to grow enormously. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, stay blessed. Stay tuned for the new latest upcoming videos. Up till then, enjoy the weather.